guys. All right, welcome. We are going to be talking about how we can apply some of the principles today that you have been learning in Econ 110. I'm going to go and pull up an article for you guys real quick from the Boston Globe, and we're going to go and see what you guys can pick out as far as principles that you guys have learned. All right, give me 1 second here. All right, and there it is. Hopefully you guys can see that. There's a short article here about how the government has blocked a merger between Staples and Office Depot, these two big companies. And so what are some principles that you guys think we have learned with regards to why the government blocked this merger?
We have learned about antitrust policies that block mergers that can give one firm too much market power.
Yeah, that's perfect, Tristan. So now, why would this merge between these two big companies be something that was bad exactly? Tristan mentioned that they would end up with too much market power, but what exactly does that mean to you guys?
Well, having too much market power means that that company could then work like a monopoly and start fixing prices, which would hurt consumers in the economy because the market wouldn't be operating at an efficient point, right?
Yeah, no, that's perfect. So with this potential merger, the government saw that a monopoly would be formed, and they would just have too much market power, and that would really end up hurting the economy. So that was perfect, Stephen. Now I just want to go and show you guys real quick how you guys can do this for yourselves. Again, I found this article on the Boston Globe's website, and as econ students, you guys should all get kind of used to going and looking at newspapers or articles and applying the principles that you guys are learning in the course right now to those articles, because that's really going to cement those different principles in your minds and going to help you guys learn. And in the end, you're going to see how much econ really applies to you in your life because it is so prevalent. Oh, yeah, Vanessa?
Yeah, I just have a question. How do we find these articles? Like, is there like a good website that we could look up, or website that you guys recommend?
Yeah, so that's actually a really good question. Like I said, again, the Boston Globe is just a newspaper website that I went onto and found this article on. But you guys can go to any other number of newspaper websites because a lot of them have this econ section. But also a good one for you guys to go to is the wallstreetjournal.com. I find a lot on here, and it should pop up for you guys. And if you can see, there's a lot of different articles in here, and you can go and search this website, and they'll have a lot of good resources for you guys to find these types of articles. And you can just go in and kind of like apply the different things that you are learning. And if you guys have any questions about that, you could just kind of refer to your textbook or to the teacher or to me as well. And that was a good question, Vanessa. And if you guys have any other questions at all, feel free to go and contact me. But thank you guys so much for coming in for this little session that we've had today. I'll see you guys later.